Hello everyone, my name is Jordan, and today we are going to be making a wall lamp in Unreal Engine 5. Well, this is a simple, really easy thing to do. First things first, you need to go to the content drawer down the bottom left corner of the screen, alright? And then you want to go to Starter Content, and just click on that, double click on that, opens it up. Same thing as well, you want to go to Props, and then you should be able to find many different types of props over here. You want to go to wall lamp, and all you have to do is just click on it and drag it onto the screen right here. Now you should be able to see that it's on the screen right now. It's right here. It's got its blue and red and green right here. Easy. You're able to line it up perfectly if you really like. It should be lined up perfectly like that. You can also make the scale bigger by clicking on it or making sure it's selected and going over here, locking it, make sure it's locked, otherwise it changes. You have to change them all individually, and it's better just to do this to save time, honestly. So 2, and now it's twice as big, and that's amazing. We want that. We like that. Now that we have the lamp in place, and now that we have it to the correct size, of course you can make it whatever size you want, we want to actually add light into it, because right now it's just a wall lamp without any light. So of course, to create the light, we want to make a blueprint. Come over here on the details, where you can see we've got the asset of the SM lamp wall, and you should be able to click here, convert this actor into a reusable blueprint class that can have a script behavior. Click that, and of course you wanna be able to name this properly. We're gonna name it wall lamp, and it's just gonna go straight into props once we're done. So select, then it should open up a new thing right here. Boom. And now we're actually able to make this into a light. Now, I'm just gonna get a better angle so it's easier for me to see. So of course you got the light bulb right here, but we want to actually add a light, a point light right here. So go to components over here. You wanna just click add, and you wanna click point light. Boom. Now there's a point light. This is just a light source, and you want to be able to match that up with the wall lamp itself, so the light comes out of the wall lamp. So of course, we're going to move it up. We're going to drag it upwards by clicking onto this. Click onto the blue arrow, drag it upwards. And I think I'm going to put it, because that comes out of the bottom, I think I'll put it here. Maybe drag it forward a bit. A little too much. It should be alright. Yeah, I see a lot more lights coming out from the top there, at the top of the screen. You can actually move this so you can see, because it happens in game as we're manipulating everything, manipulating the assets. So, boom. Now we have a light source inside a static mesh component. So, if we can get rid of this part now, or we should be able to get rid of this part now. And now we have a light. We have, oh, there we go. I'll click off. We have a light that we're able to manipulate. We can actually go back into the content drawer, and because now that we have this, it's transferred right into props. We're actually able to add more if we want, or delete them as we please. But we can move this wherever we want, of course. We've already moved it to a dark area, so it's going to light up this dark area. And now if I press play level at the top of the screen, and then you gotta remember to click onto the screen, otherwise you can't really play it. I can now move my little character over here, and boom, there's light. It's exactly where the shadow should be also. And the light actually reflects off the character. Oh, I apologize for any lag. Laptop's bad, but yeah, it's light. We've made light. And thank you for watching though. This has been a tutorial on how to make a wall lamp, a functionable wall lamp. I'm Jordan. Thank you.